Today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of shit to the 240. It's not gonna be anything crazy, but check it out. Today we're gonna be working on this piece of shit. Bro, the black looks so bad on the camera. That's just so bad. I can't wait to get a kit and get the car painted, man. Alright, but today, right now I'm gonna wash the car because this car hasn't been washed in like 3-4 weeks, I think. So I'm gonna wash the car. Edgar's over there, he's washing his car. Well, he's vacuuming his car. We're gonna wash my car and then we're gonna put his car here. We're gonna wash his car. And then after I'm gonna wash my daily. That shit hasn't been washed in like 2 months. Shit's crazy. After we're done washing the cars, I'm gonna go to AutoZone. I'm gonna try and buy like a Z32 fuel filter. I'm gonna try and replace the fuel filter on it. I have a stock air intake that should work to get rid of this like ugly ass janky engine one. And I think that's it. I'm basically just trying to get the car to run a little bit better before I pull the engine, because I already have everything to pull the engine. I have a gasket kit for it. I have a new fuel sending unit. I don't think anyone guessed them in my last video, but all the paint supplies and shit from like 2 videos ago, they were to paint the engine bay, because I'm gonna pull the engine, and while the engine's pulled, I might as well just fucking paint the bay to make it all clean, so that when I take the car in for paint and they paint the car, the engine bay's already painted, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the car to drive a little bit better before I pull the engine, so a fuel filter and a stock air intake should help a bit. But yeah, let's get started. Car's finally clean. I fucking hate washing cars. It's like the worst. I could have a GT3 RS or I could have like a Lamborghini and I'll still hate washing it, bro. It's probably because I don't have a driveway and a setup, but still. Nice and clean. Edgar's gonna come and put his car right here. I'm gonna move my car, he's gonna put his car right here, and then we're gonna wash his car. While he's washing his car, I'm gonna clean the inside of this car because this shit's dusty. And then after we're gonna go to AutoZone in 240 and I'm gonna go buy like a fuel filter and all that shit like I said before. This new wheel feels so good, bro. So much better than the stock wheel.
I don't understand.
I just gotta vacuum it. It's still nice and clean from the last time that I cleaned it. So I'm gonna just vacuum my car real quick. Edgar's washing his car. By the time he's done, I should be done. The car's all vacuumed now. I was gonna clean my daily, but fuck that. I don't wanna clean another car. I fucking hate that shit. I'm gonna just wipe everything down and wait for Edgar to finish cleaning his car, and then we're gonna head over to AutoZone. Oh, I'm tired of cleaning cars, I should say. See you guys in a bit. I don't even record shit. Sorry, I always forget to do that shit. It says I press it and it fucking doesn't do it. Alright, our cars are clean. There's Edgar's Mustang. Here with Pina. We're gonna go to AutoZone right now and I'm gonna buy like the fuel filter and spark plug wires, maybe the front brakes, just small shit that I could replace in the car just so I have it ready. And I think that's pretty much it. I might get something else when I'm in there, but for the most part, I think that's it. I'll be back in a bit. Got the 300ZX fuel filter. That's a snap. But I gotta go to another AutoZone to pick up the spark plug wires. Stupid simple, but this could really be the... How much was it? It was like 30 bucks, I think. No, it was like 10 bucks. So yeah, hopefully this helps the car a bit. Now we gotta go to the other AutoZone. It's like 5 minutes away from here, so. It starts right up every single time. You want to try a Slim Jim right now? Edgar has never tried a Slim Jim. You never tried beef jerky? He's never tried a Slim Jim or beef jerky ever, so I got this shit at AutoZone. I'll make him try it. I never tried the cheese one.
That shit like nasty.
It's not bad.
It's like a burnt fucking sausage.
That shit is disgusting. I'm not even gonna make you try that, bro. The normal Slim Jims are good. What the fuck is this? Oh, hell no, bro. That shit tastes like dog food. Ooh, here, take a bite of that. Hold on.
Are the cheese?
If you want.
No, I don't think I want the cheese.
I didn't try the meat by itself, but the cheese is disgusting. Not good? I'm gonna get you a regular Slim Jim. The regular Slim Jims are bomb. I'll eat those. I thought that shit was gonna be regular. That shit is not regular. Alright, oh, I gotta get that taste. You don't got that Gatorade stuff? Mm-mm. Oh, sad. Alright, we gotta go hit that other AutoZone. I'm gonna get a drink too or something. That shit's disgusting. My car trying to kill Edgar, bro.
Oh, you know what happened?
Yes, sir. Here, get one of them joints, bro.
I got two of them.
Man. You should schmacky.
One of the other ones. Not 240 friendly.
What you doing, boy?
Oh god, I know you seen that shit too.
We got the spark plug wires, but honestly, bro, look at how faded this box is. Look at the dust on this shit. No one buys 240 parts. All right, we back home. Edgar's gonna do something real quick, but literally, like, this should take like 5 minutes. Got the spark plug wires right here, and we got the little fuel filter. Literally, all it is just one end of the spark plug wire is this. You just literally just pull this off. Pull this off. There you go. And then you follow it, and you just pull this one off. And you just, I'm gonna replace all these, and I'm gonna replace the fuel filter also. Cause look at how old this shit looks. To replace that, all you gotta do is, my battery died. But yeah, like I was saying, all you gotta do to take out this fuel filter, like I was saying before my battery died, is literally it's just two hoses, one on the top, one on the bottom. But before you remove this, you need to open up your gas tank, open up the gas cap so that it relieves all the pressure. and then go and remove your fuel pump fuse. In my case, it's this 10 amp right here in the middle. Remove that, open your gas tank, go inside your car and try and crank it and turn it on, and that just relieves all the pressure out the system. Just so that when you open this, it doesn't go squirting all out. I mean, some's still gonna fall out, but it won't be as much as if you didn't remove that fuse. You ready? So yeah, spark plug wires and that should take like 10 minutes. Hey, look at the difference between these. Gas tank, what the fuck? The gas cap is open and the fuse for the fuel pump is removed. So now all I gotta do is crank the engine just to try and relieve all the pressure. I got the new fuel filter in. The car runs a little bit better, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that shit's actually pretty good. I recorded a TikTok and I'm gonna show you guys how dirty this fucking filter was. Like, you look at this. Yo. That shit was so dirty, so for sure that wasn't healthy for the car, like positive. It didn't 100% fix the idle, but it did help it. That shit runs so much better right now than what it used to. Right now we're just gonna clean up all this mess, and then I'm gonna let Edgar drive the car because he's never driven the car before. But yeah, she's getting there. I'll see you guys in a bit. Let me clean all this shit up. Alright, so driving it around for a while now, and literally like it did help with like the responsiveness, I guess you could say. And it makes sense because the fuel had to get through the filter before it got to the engine, and it was really clogged up before. So now that it's more free, like before first gear would fog, I would put it into first gear and take off, and it was like kind of like, how to explain it, like jittery, huh? Like, and like the revs would go up like different. I don't know how to explain it. Feels better. I don't know if it's just in my brain or not, but it does like kind of feel better. So right now I'm gonna let Edgar drive it and see what he thinks. He's never driven this car. You've never driven it at all, huh? He tried driving it one time on my old seats, but they weren't able to go forward and he couldn't reach the pedal with his short ass. Oh yeah. Put the seat up. There's a lever right here on the side. Yeah. This is your first time driving like a JDM car, huh? You gonna hate it. That shit's not as comfortable as your Mustang. Oh yeah, it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. Yeah, it's like your Mustang. So just try and find the buy point first. How? This is your first time driving a car with a quick release wheel, so yeah. Oh shit. That bad, really good. It doesn't, huh? Nah. I do like it. It's smaller than your Mustang, huh? Yeah, weight. It feels like it's light. It feels like a go-kart, huh? That shit's heavy. Yeah. Alright, now you good. This is a big ass street. This is a good street to learn. That shit does give out. I just gotta get used to it. That's just not like a Mustang, bro. That shit's nothing like a Mustang. Hey, if my car's not overheating though,